Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Dr. Elizabeth. I am a business startup expert. I do not only help you to start your business, I help you grow, I help you scale, and I make sure that your business is successful and profitable. If you are new on this platform, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I encourage you to find me on Facebook. Search for me. The link is here. This is my handle. Make sure you follow me, and also try to join my group on Facebook. I'm gonna put all of this in the description. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those of you that are new, it's your girl, Dr. Elizabeth. Welcome back. Today's video, I want to show you exactly. This is like a solution to you guys. A lot of you have told me, Coach, I want to do this. I really like what you do. I like the way that you teach. Coach, you must be rich. I really want to teach people. I don't have confidence. I don't know where to start from. What am I supposed to be doing? Oh my gosh, the process is so hard. When you think of it, like, you know what? I want it, but I don't know how. So you put it on the back burner, or you just don't even bother to pursue your dreams and aspiration. You know, like I said, I've spoken to a lot of you different types of people from lives, walks of life. Y'all have seen me somewhere, either from TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, even from here on YouTube. But your moment has come, y'all. If you know that you want to teach, you want to have your own coaching session, your coaching training, your coaching business, some sort of way where y'all can be sleeping, you can be sleeping in your dream and you'll be making money, like you're like wake up in the morning and like you check your bank account, you check your portal, you've sold 5 courses, you've sold 5 trainings, like you've sold something, you have been booked for mock. Like, if this is what you desire, I have come to say congratulations to you. Congratulations. Like I said, don't go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you want to reach me, get in touch with me. So this video is dedicated specifically for those looking to have their own training business. I want to offer a little bit more insight on what this program of mine includes and comes with, so that it can help you make an informed decision. Okay, like I said, you can start your own training program as early as tomorrow, as early as the next day, because it is a done for you white label, a turnkey. Okay, you all can now white label my courses. Well, I've actually signed up 3 clients, and let me tell you one thing right now. My second client has made $5,500 back in less than a week. They were able to start to sell. You're not only going to be able to white label, meaning customize, change this into yours. I'm also going to, it comes with coaching, where I help you to build your business, your training business specifically, from the grassroots. Everything that you need to attract the right clients, what you need to be doing, where you need to be positioned. Hey, I've done the work. So you are going to be benefiting from what has been done without the hassle. When I started this process, it took me a minute, although it didn't take me a lot, because I've been wrapped around teaching. You know, I'm a college professor. I mean, I'm a teacher by trade, even back way from Nigeria. I used to go to College of Education. I've been a teacher. My dad was a teacher at Ehon, an international school. It was a Sunday school teacher. Okay, so like I've been wrapped around teachers. My immediate sister is an academia. She's a doctor, meaning she, you know, like she used to teach before me. Okay, so I've always understood what to do, how to do. So my courses were made from scratch. I am a trainer. Also, in addition, your package comes with a trainer certification. You're going to get your certificate, you're going to get coaching assistance, how to build your platform from scratch, and you can white label my courses, and you will be in your dream sleeping, and people are checking out, buying your digital product. If you're not selling this day, listen, I don't know what else how you'll be making money. You know, there are some ways and easier ways to make money. All money are good. Like not all monies are good. I meant to say, like, there are different paths to make money. What path do you want to choose? Do you want to work hard or smart? You can decide to clock in and clock out. At the end of the day, you're going to make money if that's what you desire. Or you just want to be in your sleep, sell digital product, the things that have been done for you without you having to worry how to go about this. So first thing, like I said, you can start this as early as tomorrow. You'll be able to white label 7 brand most highly reviewed courses of mine. Like I said, What was I gonna say? You would get a coaching guidance. I took notes. I'm looking at my notes. You'll get coaching and guidance. You will learn how to market and get paying clients right away, immediately. All of this are done for you. My videos, the content are done for you, and all the, like, for example, so let's take DOT specimen collector as a training. You know, a lot of people wants to be certified. They want to be certified. They want to certify their spouse. They want to certify their employee. They want to certify their staff. They want to certify all their family members. Like, this course is always on the repeat for me. Like, I can sell 20 of this course in a week. You know what I mean? So again, so if that's like, so that's an example, right? You would be able to, and all the materials that comes with the training, like their shy bladder log, the certification that you need to award them, how to facilitate your mock session, all those assistance comes with that. So each course that I'm going to give you comes with assistance. Okay. It helps you to accelerate growth. Your social, your online media presence will be immediately accelerated with my tool, my strategy. You will be getting attraction. Like I said, one of my clients right now has matched, she's even has made her money back, because what I'm selling to you is less than $5,000. But guess what? You are guaranteed of nothing less than $500,000 within a year, if you are dedicated and follow everything. And if this is truly what you want to do, you got to answer that question for yourself. So I have come to let you know that you can now start your own training platform, right? You know, you see people start this program, they don't know, you don't know what to do, and you like to teach, you like to do, you like to that, but you don't know how. I have got you. I have come to let you know that I can help you from scratch build your training program. The only thing you need to bring to the table is enthusiasm. You need to be passionate. You need to wanting and willing to want to make an impact, because it has to come with impact, then income. You know, as long as you have those things, you don't need to go back to school. You don't need to go get no certification. I will certify you. I will boost your morale. I will help you get to where you need to go. As long as you're a follower, you're a listener, you're coachable, you're gonna succeed. Okay, we'll show you exactly how to build your stand store, how to build your social media presence, how to build your training, all the materials that you need, the things to facilitate programs. Again, the only thing you probably would be doing is your mock session. For the other courses, you don't need to be involved. Individuals can get your course, get it downloadable. The content has been done for you. I have done the work for you. So if you have desire to invest and make money right away, this is a guaranteed return on investment type of thing. So if you're interested, you let me know. Your success is guaranteed. Your return, your investment is guaranteed. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so I am looking to assist only 10 people for a start. I've already been able to assist 4. We have 6 more slots. So if that's your desire, and the investment cost is only $3,997, for that you are guaranteed of your money back in less than a month. You tell me what's so assured that is so assured that you've seen out here. So make sure you take benefit and take advantage. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you happen to be watching this, but training is not your forte for now, but you want to start your own, you can definitely know that you're in the right spot. Just go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you go on my page and browse through my videos. You would learn a whole lot. So I gotta go. It's your girl, Coach E, coming to you guys live and direct from Maryland. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.